It's already official that the Google Pixel Watch event is not far away. It's 6th of October. But there is a lot of hype surrounding this Pixel Watch, largely because it's coming with the new WearOS operating system, and on top of that, this will be kind of Google's first smartwatch, which will directly compete with Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 series as well as Apple's Watch Series 8. Now, just because it is a Google product, we already have seen quite a lot of leaks and hands-on videos, photos, and we also have seen renders from Google itself. Google has already showcased that. But what you don't know is probably the price and something else. I will tell you. So as per the past leaks, the Google Pixel Watch has a nearly 1.18 inch screen and is pretty thick. It is also because it will come with a 300 mAh battery. That's good. But it is still not as good as the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro's 590 mAh, which is crazy. Now, because it's still a Google product, so battery efficiency will be quite good. Now, although the watch will apparently be powered by an old Samsung processor, most likely Samsung 9110, which is quite a bit disappointing, but it will also have a co-processor under the hood. And on top of everything else, it will come with 1.5GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, which is actually quite a lot if you compare it with other WearOS watches. So now the Pixel Watch is also rumored to have sensors for heart rate, blood oxygen, and ECG. Now the normal specs like NFC, GPS, and the water resistance, that's all going to be there, so no need to worry about that. Now, as per a new leak, it says that Google could price this watch between $300 to $400. 95 Google recently reported that it could cost $399 in the US, and that too the cellular variant. The Bluetooth model will definitely be cheaper by about $50 or so, or maybe $100. And that also means the Pixel Watch will be more expensive than the Galaxy Watch 5, but cheaper than the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and that's the only reason why this comparison is not straightforward. Sometimes it feels like the Pixel Watch is actually very cheap, and sometimes it feels like it's a little bit more costlier, and it will look one of the stunning smartwatches around, definitely. Plus, also keep in mind, all these technologies are coming from Fitbit, so the health sensor of the Google Pixel Watch will be far better than any other smartwatches. Also, Google might just even release a Google Pixel Watch companion app, and it will support the any Android phones pretty easily, and more things like that. I mean, Google things. You get the point, like Google Fi and stuff like that. Now, another interesting thing that you probably shouldn't need to know at this moment is about the Tensor chip. Well, the third generation Tensor chip, the Tensor 3. According to Galaxy Club via 9to5 Google, the third generation Tensor chip is actually being developed and is going through some early testing right now by Samsung. Again, it's a Samsung Exynos inside. The rumor is that the third gen Tensor chip will actually have a codename RIP Current. I just don't know what that means. The model number is S5P9865. Now, if you don't know, the second generation Tensor chip is known as Cloud Reaper. But again, it's pretty much known that Google is not trying to be better than the Snapdragon chips or something like that. It is always trying to be that good performing chip, but it is more about the AI performance as well. So it's not about the best of the best performance. It's all about the AI performance, and that's it. It is also possible that the third generation Tensor chip will be made by Samsung using their own 3-name process node. That could be a big possibility. So lower the process node means it will have more transistors in the chip. That also means much more powerful and much more energy efficient. So that's probably it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, how excited you are for the Pixel 7 Pro event. So before the outro, here is a Gate Series 2 wallpaper pack. This wallpaper pack contains total of 14 8K wallpapers custom made for your desktop, tablets, laptops, and your modern smartphones. You can visit the link in the description below to get a discounted price, or you can simply visit my website joindavid.com/wallpapers to get more discounts. And not just that, you're also going to find a lot more tech news and stuff much faster than these videos on the website. So definitely visit my website. Until the next one, bye and take care.